Hey guys, my name is Kristen and I'm going to show you how I achieved this matte black snowflake look. Previously I did do a look with the white snowflakes and the shiny top coat and glitter, so I figured I would do just the opposite. I have my red iguana hand pre-prepped with the Universal Tips by Notpolish, and all I'm going to do is just go ahead and lay only clear acrylic down. I'm going to build my apex and everything with it. And being that it is a practice hand, I won't go too crazy on that just to conserve product. So I live in Florida and it's normally very warm and your acrylic sets up a lot faster the warmer it is. And it was actually cool here and I didn't even think about it before I started, like to warm my room up. So my acrylic was a little runnier and set a little slower than I'm used to. So I kind of had to switch gears and try and use a lot smaller beads and just take my time getting them laid so that I didn't have to keep cleaning up. So I'll let you go ahead and watch that.
Much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol. que sé es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se daría este sueño de estar en pie al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, toca mis quién eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida. Tener niños y estar en
When I got all the clear acrylic laid, I went ahead and filed and buffed off camera. I just find it so much easier on the practice hand to do it off camera. But when I do work on people, my nieces and my sisters, that's who I usually work on, I will go ahead and leave that footage in for you guys who like to see that. Now that I'm all filed and buffed, I'm going to go ahead and lay down that clear black polish. And how I achieved that look was I used some clear gel polish and I added a little bit of black gel polish and just mixed them real well. And then I did apply 2 coats to each nail. I just filmed me doing the one, but you can see how it looks like I did 2 because it'll get darker.
Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you.
So after I give the black gel polish a full 60-second cure, I'm ready to do the snowflakes. I had 2 ideas on how I was going to do the snowflakes. I opted for this one, which are black snowflake stickers. My other idea was just to use some black stamping gel and a stamping plate and go ahead and stamp them on. I may opt for that option the next time, just for the fact of with these stickers, you really have to get them down really flat, have no air bubbles, and it was a little bit more of a struggle for me tonight. I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna always leave my mistakes in or tell you guys about them just because everybody's human and we can learn from each other. The reason that I feel that I could see a little bit of air bubbles is because it was a clear jelly type polish, and normally I don't see anything when I lay stickers, so I think it was just a matter of it being a clear jelly type polish that made you be able to see if there were any air bubbles.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted. Don't wanna pick a fight with.
Strategy on laying down the snowflakes was to place the largest ones first and then fill in with all the smaller ones.
Help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
After I get all the snowflakes placed where I want them, I'm going to go ahead and top coat those 2 nails with the snowflakes with Notpolish Matte It, and I give both coats the full 60 seconds.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza esto no se me olvida.
When I'm all done with that, I'm going to do the pointer and pinky in the sugar effect. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Shine It by Notpolish and then sprinkle this really pretty black glitter over before I cure it. I sprinkle it into the wet polish and then the full 60-second cure. After that's cured, I'm going to go ahead and dust off all the excess glitter, and then in the center of each snowflake, I'm going to place a little dab of gem gel, and then I did not use real Swarovskis for the practice hand, but on a real person, I definitely would have. After I get the gems in place, I'm going to give it a final 60-second cure, and then I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little video of the final product, and I will say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. And you know I have to ask you to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye.